Kuna watu wengi sana uniuliza, "Yes, Sabato unaweza date single mother?" Nasema yes, I can. Because ni madem, masista zetu, ni madem. Unaweza pata ni mtoto wa mtu vile unaweza kuanga na mtoto mdem, alafu apate mtoi, alafu akwe single mother. Yes, naweza na naweza encourage wanaume date single mother ukipata. But point ya
so in short, Sauti Sabato Sabato Sauti ya ground doesn't see a problem dating single mothers. I'm not saying there's a problem. Of course kuna wale mademu unapata morio wake alidedi, so so we can't call them widows if they are still young, but yes, unapata the father of the baby is not alive. All right. But still, personally, would I play the role of a father of a child that's not mine? Unless I've gone to a children's home and I've adopted that child, but not date a woman who got a baby. And I don't know, it would have to be, I wouldn't. Personally, I would not. Unajua watu wanasemanga they'd only date or rather marry a single mother if the father of the child is dead. Think again, motherfucker. Well, bwana, the ghost of that the ghost of that baby's father will be sleeping with that woman in her dreams, bro. Have you heard of spiritual husbands?